Hello, this is Mr. Liu, and I am your 7-Minute Sensei. In this short clip, I will review the process of taking the state exam and talk about performance objectives. The Utah State Board of Education requires that students taking this CTE Digital Business Applications class pass with a grade of 80% or higher on the state exam. There are also a number of performance objectives that you must show evidence that you can, in fact, do these things. And I have you create a digital portfolio using Google Sites to show your evidence. The performance objectives include a digital portfolio with an original created student podcast. We had you do recordings of various types and embed those in your digital portfolio. We also asked you to create a resume and a cover letter. We use the cover letter template. The cover letter is, once again, it is an introduction to yourself, a summary of what you're capable of doing, and we had you build a resume using Canva. There are several tools that you can use to build your resume, and you can even start from scratch just using some tool like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and include on your resume, obviously, your name and contact information and a summary of your qualifications, as well as your education background. If you have a high GPA, incorporate that, as well as your work experience. You don't necessarily want to include or should include references on your resume, and like most job-related questions, the typical answer is it really depends. You need to upload a business document using your print media. We had you create infographics as a type of business document, and we had you post those. Link to your online shared calendar. We showed you how easy it is to link up to your Google Calendar and subscribe to that calendar, embed that in your Google Sites digital portfolio. Upload your presentation. In my class, we had you do a travel presentation, and that was created using Google Slides and using Google Sites. It is, of course, extremely easy to just insert that slide presentation in your digital portfolio. Link or upload to your collaborative global business project. This is our final assignment that we're working on, and where we work as a group to build a global business presentation. The templates are included in your Canvas assignment, and that is more or less what I am looking for as far as content in your portfolio. Now, the exam itself, which is test number 215, Digital Business Applications, there are 6 strands that are covered. The strand that has the most questions will be strand number 1, 13 questions, or about 28%. And then the next 2 highest are strand number 3 and strand number 6. Strand number 6 being the global economy and the impact of technology in the global economy and in collaboration. In number 3, we have also 9 questions, and so you want to focus on strand 3, which is digital images, graphics, and so forth. The career piece, it's important to know, but I would focus on things as simple as PAR, problem, action, results. Understand what a resume should look like. Understand an interview process, understand how to search for jobs, tools that we use to search for jobs. And finally, you have strand number 2 and you have strand number 4, which are worth 7 and 6 points respectively. You have a total of 46 points in this exam, a total of 40 questions. So pace yourself, you've got plenty of time. I would probably give yourself at least 30 seconds for a question. Make sure that you read the entire question and check and see if you have answers such as all of the above as an option. So be patient as you go through the test. Also, a simple strategy is eliminate all the answers that are not probable. Okay, so usually tests are written such that there are some obviously wrong answers. So eliminate those from the possibility. Do not check those. If you have no clue on what the answer is, there is some data that says choose B or C. I don't know if that's the best strategy. That would be a last resort. I would just, again, use the process of elimination and make sure that you read the question thoroughly and look for the most relevant, appropriate answer. Good luck to you. This is Mr. Liu, and I am your 7-Minute Sensei, and you are welcome to stop by and chat, and I'm glad to help you.